Chipolo ONE Point, Google's Find My Device tracker. Hello everyone, this is Amit Dan. So just received my Chipolo ONE Point, which I have it right here. So I bought the package, which was for like I think $75 Canadian, and I got four together. And I'm just going to open one and show you guys what's inside, and I'll connect it to my phone. So this is works with Google Find My Device app, which actually was not accessible before to connect to a tracker. So until now, I have been using the TileMate tracker, which was not that good. I have several videos on that about TileMate, and I tracked my luggage from Toronto to Manila. Before it didn't work that well. So now this should work very well because this is like has coverage via Google's Find My Device app network, which is like wide and broad network. It should be similar like Apple tracker, and also it could be like probably it has more coverage because more people use Android. So it should be like it should give you more coverage than AirTag. So now I'm just going to open this up and try to connect. So the box came like this, and it just says here, find your lost keys, backpack, luggage. So I have four, and I'm going to be using them for my Thailand and Dubai trip, which is coming up within the next 1.5 months. So let's open up and see what we have here. So what I noticed that their packaging is kind of difficult. I had to kind of open it here, and although I didn't open it, but it was not easy to slide it out. So I made a little bit smoother, just to it doesn't take longer when I'm doing the recording. So let's take it out and put it in here, and then it mentions here that press your Chipolo and place it next to your phone. Okay, so let's do that. We're going to put it next to my phone, and then we're going to see how it works. And then you can see that the box is empty here, and this is what we have here. Chipolo, it looks very nice. I think it kind of looks like AirTag, although I haven't used any AirTag before. Okay, so press your Chipolo and place it next to your phone. So let's do that. We're going to press it. Okay, I see that there's a pop-up, but I don't see anything. Okay, this is okay, so as far as I can see, I don't see anything. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just turn off my phone and log back in and see if it works. Okay, so I don't see anything here. Let's put it on the back. Okay, so nothing is happening. I'm just going to quickly restart the phone and see if something happens. Okay, so I just restarted the phone. Let's see. Okay, I heard something, but I don't see any pop-up. Okay, so I don't think I'm having any luck here. Okay, so looks like this way is not working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to install the Chipolo app and see if it works that way. Okay, so just got the Chipolo app, and I'm going to click start. Add a new Chipolo. Okay. Oh, I heard something. Let's see. Add a new Chipolo. create a new account. Okay, so I'm just going to create a new account. Give me a few seconds. Okay, so got the app. Now it's giving me the option to add. So I'm just going to hit Chipolo One and please continue and select allow. Okay, Chipolo needs nearby devices permission to use Bluetooth. Okay, continue. Allow and Bluetooth enable. Okay, I'm thinking it may be possible because my Bluetooth was not enabled before, so that's why it didn't work. Okay, so turn on Bluetooth, turning on, allow access to precise location, continue, while using the app. So location is on, continue. Okay, so now let's see what we have here. Location permit, allow all the time, allow only when using the app. Okay, so we can go ahead with this option. Precise location, and so we have this. Let's go back now, continue. Okay, continue, and okay, so now I should be able to use it. Oh, why is it taking me to the page again? Okay, see all permission is precise location, location access for this app. Okay, so I did the location access. Now I don't know why. Oh, I did the wrong thing. Okay. Okay, so I did everything right, but it's not doing anything. Okay. Okay, so I understand the problem. Allow all the time. So that's why it didn't work. So I was just allowing while using the app. It should be allow all the time. And then let's see what we got here. Now we got this one. Okay, so it looks like it's working. And continue. Adding. Firmly press your Chipolo and listen for the sound. Okay. Place the Chipolo next to your phone. Chipolo ONE Point. Okay, looks like it got it. So let's click connect. Okay, you can see connecting. Okay, so it's just giving you some disclosures. Agree. Adding to find my device. Download the app on Google Play to locate your device on a map, or download the app. Okay, so you have to get the find my device, which I didn't have. I thought I had this one. Okay, so I'm just going to install this, and let's see what you get. Open and continue as me. Okay, so asking me to enter password. So let's put in the password. Okay, so once I entered the Google password, it's asking me to pick the device. So this is my newer phone, Pixel 8 Pro. So let's click. You can now locate your device and accessories like earbud. Okay, so I think let me just click here and see what happens. Okay, so it's just giving the device information. I think that should be it now. Allow access permission is required. Okay, find my device, allow. Okay, Chipolo ONE Point nearby. Okay, so you can see that it's working. It's showing on the map that where it is, and it's kind of showing my location. And then you can see that near right now, and then it says find nearby, play sound. Okay, so let's see, what is this? Okay, so it says it's here because it knows that it's right here. So it seems to be working fine. Play sound. Okay, so we heard the sound, and what I'm going to do later on, I might do a testing at the park, but definitely I'm going to do a video tracking my luggage from Toronto to Bangkok, which is coming up about in a month and a half. But this is how you add Chipolo to your Google phone or to your phone using Android network. Now, it didn't work at the first time when I was trying to just pressed it, but looks like you have to have the app. That way it works. But for you or for some phones, it might work without even installing the app first, because it should guide you to install the app. But except that, everything seems to be okay. Now, in order to add this, I think you have to just open it and hold it and press it here, and it's just going to add it right away. So basically that's how it works. So definitely I'm going to be doing more video on this. And this was my Chipolo One, and this is 1 point, actually Chipolo 1 point off-white. So for the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.